Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix if WhatsApp status is not showing up. If you are posting to status and nobody can see your status, or if you can't see someone's status, then there is a way how you can fix it. Make sure your settings are appropriate. On the updates, tap on three dots near my status. Then tap on status privacy. Here you got the different options. If you tap on my contact, everyone can see your status and you can also watch everyone's status. Next is my contact. Except some people from your contact, everyone can see your status. And the last one is only the selected person can see your status. After that, go back to status. If it is still not showing up, then maybe you haven't saved their number in your contact and that's the reason you can't see their status. Make sure you have saved their name and number on your contact list and vice versa on that person's device too, so that you both can watch each other's status. If it still does not work, then it might be a glitch in the system, so you need to reset the app. So to reset the app, let's go to settings. Scroll down and tap on apps. Here you again need to tap on all apps. After that, on the search bar, click over there and search WhatsApp. When you enter on WhatsApp info, tap on storage and cache. Then tap on clear storage. It will reset the app. Resetting the app is basically just like refreshing it. It will remove all the bugs or glitch from your app. And the next one you can do is uninstalling and reinstalling the app. So after that, your WhatsApp status will start showing. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and thanks for watching.